How to turn on private browsing on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the tabs icon. You can view all your open tabs over here. Here, tap on the Private section at the bottom. Private browsing adds additional privacy protections for tabs. After you close a tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information. Here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon to open a new tab. You can now browse in private in this tab. Following these steps, you can easily turn on private browsing on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.